Okay, so we drew our graphs. They're here and here. We discovered that the power one was a bit curvy, whereas the exponential one was straighter. So we're back here. I've just entered in the data into my calculator. I've only put time and log of population. Notice how I've gone back and reworked out my log of population and not rounded them, because my calculator needs the exact values. And now I'm going to draw the graph, and I'm going to tell it to calculate, and I'm going to tell it to calculate the equation for an exponential, and it's given me some information, so I'm going to write that down. So I'm going to change the colour of my pen because it's still red. So the first thing I'm going to write down is that A is 5.76 to 3 significant figures. And I'm also going to write down that B, now B has got this e to the minus number, so it's going to be a very small number. I've just done something really stupid. I'm going to come out of that, exit. I'm going to go back and pause this. Actually, no, you might as well learn from my mistake. I've gone and drawn the graph, and I was finding out the equation of time versus log population. But that's actually not the equation I want. I want time versus population. So I'm going to just quickly type in the original data again. I'm going to draw the graph, I'm going to go calculate, I'm going to give me my exponential, and there you go, that makes more sense. So let's scrub that out. So I've got my A as 297 to 3 significant figures, and I've got my B as 0.327 to 3 significant figures. So now I can write down my equation of population y in terms of time t, and that gives me the formula at the bottom. So y equals 297 e to the 0.0327 t, and that's my equation. And my justification for my model is because this line is a better straight line than this line. So if they ask you to justify why you chose a particular model, this is a better straight line. Later on as supporting evidence you can talk about r squared, but realistically the main reason is because this graph, the time versus log n, log population, is straighter than the graph which is log time against log population. Right, that bit's done.